Hey guys, we're back at it again, and thank you for everybody who has subscribed to my channel. And today we are doing a tutorial on how to get this eye look. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel in the link below. I'm going to be using two palettes today, the Crystalline Kaleidoscope and the BH Cosmetics It's My Raye palette. I wanted to do this video and kind of just start this on my series, start this on my channel. So yeah, if you want to see this eye look, just continue watching. Let's do a simple kind of eye look that you could either glam up or wear as an everyday look to like work or just around the house. I just kind of wanted to do this video as my first tutorial. That way a lot of these big YouTubers on YouTube don't do these tutorials that I personally would find more useful in my life. So I wanted to start doing that on my channel, doing tutorials on like eyes, face makeup, brows, you name it. I'm going to start doing that on my channel. So yeah, today I'm going to be doing an eye look with the Crystalline palette, also using the It's My Raye palette by BH Cosmetics. So let me just pull my bangs back here and let's just get started. As y'all can see, I already have my entire face put on. That way it will cut down on time on this video, and we're not doing that today. We're doing the eyes. So I'm just going to go in with the It's My Raye palette first, and I'm going to use this first color here. It's called Spice. Now I've done already primed my eyes using concealer and a setting powder. You always want to do that first, that way your eyeshadow will stay on your eyes longer. So I'm just going to go in with the Spice color first, just to kind of even out your eye color. That way you aren't seeing any of your veins coming through your eyes. And just to start off with a good clean base. It's always good to start off with a good nude color before any eye look. I don't care what you're doing. Alright, then next up in the crease, I'm going to go in with this sunset color. I totally said that wrong. It's called Mousse. Sunset's below. My bad. So I'm just going to take that brown and I'm going to work it into the crease with this, I need to be telling y'all what brushes I'm using. It's a Luxie 239 brush. Just use any brush that you have that is kind of tapered like this. It really works well in your crease. Alrighty, then I'm going to go in with this color. I think I'm going to go in with, I'm probably going to butcher this word. I think it's called Tagine. It's this orange color from the Crystalline Kaleidoscope palette. I'm going to use this same Luxie tapered brush, and I'm just going to put that in my outer corner. And then as I'm putting that into my outer corner, I'm kind of dragging some of that same color up into the crease area, just to kind of blend all these colors together. And that way nothing looks too streaky. Alrighty. Then for the next step is the lid color. Now I always enjoy putting a shimmer shade on your lid color. You can do whatever you want to on your lid color. You can do mattes, foiled, it doesn't really matter. But today I'm going to go in with the golden shade here. It's called Stay Gold. And I always use my finger to apply the lid color. That way you get more of a color payoff from... If you use a brush, it's always good to wet your brush. You can either just spritz it with water or you can use a setting spray. You just spritz your brush and then use that to apply. But personally, I don't wear nails. Some people use the brush with setting spray because they wear nails, but I don't. So I just go ahead and go in with my finger because, I don't know, I find you get a way better color payoff with your finger. Alrighty, and then after you do that, I always go in with a really fluffy brush. This one is a Firma 201 brush. It's just really fluffy on the end, and I just use that to kind of blend out that crease and blend the gold and all the browns together. Then it looks pretty seamless. Now, I can stop here, apply mascara, and that would be, it's not like too crazy. You could use this as an everyday look, or I'm going to go ahead and continue and show you how to kind of up this up a little bit and turn it into like a smoky eye look. So to smoke it out, we're going to go ahead and go in with this lighter color called Pancake. And then I'm going to use this Ecotools brush that is very tapered on the end. And what you kind of want to do is use the same colors that you used in your crease to then put this on the lower lash line. That way then they all kind of tie together. So I'm just going in with this lighter color first. And then we're going to go in with that first color that we used, the mousse color, and put that on the next on top of the Pancake color. I love this brush to do my lower lash line because it literally just gets right underneath the lashes perfectly and into your inner corner of your eye perfectly. And you can pick this up at Walmart. It's an Ecotools line. It just works like a dream, literally. It's crazy. And then after you have got the color on your lower lash line, you then just want to go ahead and go back in with that same fluffy brush that you did your upper corner with, and then just kind of sweep underneath your eyes to soften any edges that you might have. Alrighty, then we're going to go ahead and use this, I think this is an e.l.f. brush actually. Yes, it's an e.l.f. crease brush. Looks like so. And then I'm just going to use this here color. It's called Angel in the BH Cosmetics palette. And I'm just going to use that to highlight my brow bone. And my inner corner. So putting color underneath your lower lash line and doing your inner corner and brow bone highlight just really amps up the look, and that's how you can take it from an everyday look to a like night out look or if you're if you're going out with your friends, or if you just, personally, I like to look full glam every day that I can because I enjoy it so much. So that's how you can take one look up to the next level. I kind of enjoy getting to show you guys how to do that because I know a lot of people don't talk about that on YouTube, and it's like, well, how did you do that? How do you transform that to that? And it's just like, so that's what I want to do for you guys. So then we're just going to go in with some liner, and that will convert your look from day to night, basically. And so I'm probably just going to speed up this part because I do not do well putting liner on camera, so sorry. So yeah, guys, that's going to do it for this video, and don't forget to click the link below and subscribe to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it. And also, don't forget that you are absolutely stunning. Bye. Thanks for watching, guys.